Depoe Bay, Kayak outbound. Depoe Bay, Kayak outbound. All right, folks, welcome back. Heading out again out of Depoe Bay. Tide is coming in, and about 15 minutes away from sunrise. Trying to head out and try to catch some rockfish. And today is supposed to be pretty calm, under 2 feet swells, around 12 seconds, so that's really nice. And I can see it out here. It is very calm. This is nice. It is a low tide right now. Tide's coming in, and this motor is struggling against the tide right now. One bad thing today is I forgot to bring my cord for my GPS fish finder, so I'm not going to have any GPS to see where I fished before, but I have a general idea, so hopefully it's gonna work out. And we're just coming out here. We just came out of the bay. We are out in open ocean, so hopefully we can do well today. And I'm seeing a lot of kelp bed right here that I didn't see before, but I think it's because it's a low tide. And I don't know, I remember coming out here during a low tide, and I don't remember seeing this kelp bed. They are out here, and maybe I can stop by this kelp bed and try to jig. All right, I think we'll stop by this kelp bed and see if we can catch some rockfish. Hoping I do well today. So the swells, I think the swells are still gonna build up. All right, let's try here. I'm looking at the north reef right now, and before when I came out here, the swells were pretty gnarly. So let's spot lock it. Jig here for about 5-10 minutes and see if we can pull up some rockfish. I don't know how deep it is. Man, I can't believe I forgot my power cord for my fish finder. Okay, there's bottom. So I'm guessing it's about 30 to 40 feet. Oh, was that a hit? Is that a hit? Bottom. Oh, yes. Yeah, there we go. Oh, he came up for it. Heck yeah, man. First rockfish. Oh, he's well hooked. Look at that. Just like 3 minutes in, man, I got a fish. Let me grab my gloves. Nice. I'm keeping everything today. Last time I released fish, and it was a bad choice because I only kept 2. I thought I was gonna get bigger ones. That was my mistake. So there we go, man. First fish of the day. The sun is not even up yet. Looks like about maybe a 2-pounder. Nice. Let me knock him out. Right there. Okay. Let's weigh this guy. Okay, let's see how many pounds you weigh. You are, oh, I was wait. Oh yeah, there we go. 2.2. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. I was right. Not bad, right there, guys. Yeah, that was fast. 3 minutes in, man. Think they're about right here. We're in about, I'm guessing about 30 to 40 feet of water. I'm dropping it to the bottom, and once I hit bottom, I crank it about 3 times. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, there's a hit. Come on, fishy. There it is. That was a hit. Yep, there it is. There it is, guys. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh man, that's a big one. That's a big rockfish. Oh, that's a good one. Holy smokes. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely. Oh, come here. Oh, no, 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 don't come off. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, come here. Come here, buddy. Yes! Oh, that's a good one. Woo! Yeah, wow. 3-pounder, I bet. 3-pounder, I bet. Oh, man. This is nice. Wait, let's get this out. No. Do not come off. He's a big one, guys. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. Holy smokes. He's a big one, guys. Oh, man, look at that. Woo! Love it. Early morning. Man, oh, man. Let's weigh him. Oh, they're getting bigger. Love it. Let's see how big you are, buddy. Let's see how big you are. He is, oh, let's turn it on first. Here we go. Okay, there we go. 3, 4, 4, 315, 41, 42. We're gonna call it 4 pounds. 4-pound rockfish right there. Look at that. For some reason, they turn light when you whack them. I don't know why, but anyways, like 1 minute apart, guys. Oh man, that was so awesome. Nice little school here. Nice little school. Let's do it again. So this is the lure that they're hitting on. I think it's a 4-ounce jig. It's a pencil jig. I just need to get a ling, then I'm good. Oh, there's a hit. There's a hit. Oh, there's a hit. Come on. Yeah, I think he's got it. Nope, he doesn't. There's it.
Outbound Depoe Bay.
Come on. Oh. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, these are nice fish, guys. These are nice fish. Oh, man. These are nice fish. I'm not kidding. Oh, there's another good one. There's another good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. He's a keeper. He's a keeper. He's kind of small, actually, but man. So there it is, guys. Not a bad fish, about the same size as the last one. Gonna keep him. Sorry, it's not about the same size as the last one. Slightly smaller. I'm guessing it's about 2 pounds. So, not bad. 2 pounds, 10 ounce. 2 pounds, 10 ounce. Not bad. Almost 3 pounds. So we got 2, 3, and 4. Nice! Woo! All right, guys, so that was really awesome. They are right along these kelp bed. I have a feeling I can limit out really quick. I just need 2 more. 2 more, I'm done. So I'm gonna go between these kelp beds. All right, it's like they are shy of my lure. The bite slowed down. Come on, fishy. Take it. Okay, here we go. I'm back at my spot. Off by like 20 foot and then you're not gonna get a bite. It's kind of weird how that is. All right. I think they're kind of shy. Let's go to a new spot. Oh, lingcod. First ling of the day. First ling of the day, guys. Little baby. Little baby. There we go. Okay, buddy. First ling. There we go. He is not going to measure, obviously, too small. There we go. First ling of the day. Too small. Let this puppy go. Okay, buddy. Bye-bye. Boom. Good. The lings are here. Lings are here. That's not the size that we want. We need something about twice, at least twice that size. That one's about maybe an 18. It is so nice out here, guys. It is super calm. I'm not kidding. I think the forecast is 1.6 to 1.8 feet swells. About 14 seconds apart, 13, 14, and 15. It is really nice. But the bad thing is the wind is supposed to pick up around 10 and 11. So I'm hoping I get my limit by then. There it is, there's a hit. Oh, missed. There's a hit. Yep, there it is. There it is. Ah. There, gotcha, sucker. He's a good one. He's a good one. Big rockfish, I hope. Big. Oh, another ling. Dang. Yeah. Let's see. Over here. There we go, guys. Another ling. Just a baby, though. Baby ling. There it is. Really nice looking fish. Woo! Morning splash. Gotta love it. Oh man, oh man. All right, where are the big boys? Where are the big lings? Moving over there. There's the fish. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh, please be a big rockfish. Could be a ling. Big one, guys. Oh wait, that's a ling. That's a baby ling though. I actually snagged it. Okay, buddy. So I got a ling here. He's twisting and turning in my net. Just a baby ling. Stop turning. There we go. Nice looking ling. Just a baby though, doesn't count. Okay, let's let this guy go again. There he goes. Man, just nothing but baby lings here. I think we're gonna go to a new spot. Way out there. Another fish. Another fish. Oh, I got one? I think I got one. Yeah, I think I got one, guys. I don't know how big he is. Feels good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What are you? What are you? Come on, buddy. I cast this one way, way far from the kayak. Lingcod. Baby again. Man, that's the theme of the day. Baby ling up the wazoo. Man, oh man, just don't reach inside his mouth because those teeth are gnarly. Okay, there we go. Ling number what, 3? Something like that. Just a baby. Curious how big he is or how long he is. He is 18 inches. 18-inch ling right there. There he goes. Slowly. It's not the size I'm looking for. Need something twice that size. Where the heck are they? They have disappeared, guys. I don't know. Ooh, there it is. There it is. There's a hit. Just like that. Finally. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on. Please be a rockfish. I'm gonna get my limit. Oh, yes, rockfish. Little guy. He will do though. It's been kind of slow. See, this will be number 4. Actually, you know what? He's kind of small. He's only about 1.5 pounds. So we're gonna go for the bigger one. There we go. A little small. Go. Come on, buddy. There he goes. What's wrong with you? Hello. Came up too fast, I think. You gonna make it? Make it, buddy? Or are you gonna make it? There he goes. Finally. Yeah, he's a little small. Alright. Ooh, that was a hit. Dang it, I missed it. Ooh, there's a hit. There's a hit. Ooh, got him. Got him. Oh, it came off. Dang. Dang it. Still got him. Yep, still got him. There we go. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Please be a rockfish. I want to get my limit. What are you? Ling. Looks like a ling. Oh, big rockfish. Holy moly. Nice. Oh, yeah, right there. Woo! Buddy. Right there, man. Nice. Number 4. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Well, This guy was not line shy. Let's do it. Let's weigh him. Let's weigh him. Three pounds, guys. 3 pounds. Shoot, I lost my mic. Oh wait, here it is. Found my mic. Holy smokes. Man, I gotta be more careful. Where can I put it? Where can I put my mic? I gotta be more careful with that. That was close. That was close. Trying to get my... See, I think he was over there. That was cool. That was so that was 3 pounds and 9 ounce. So about 3.5 pounds. So I got four rockfish. I need one more, and I need 2 lings. The lings, I don't know. The ones I've caught, they're like really small. Not small. They're about maybe 17, 18 inches. I need one more, then I'm gonna try to get some more underwater shots. There's a bite. Oh, man. That's how it falls off. Gotta be careful. Okay. Gotta be aware of that mic. So they are hitting it. It's weird because they hit on the fall. Okay, maybe, I'm not sure where I can put my mic. Let's put it, here for now. All right, so I'm going to switch to that worm. So this one has the bumper leader. Let's see. Well, I just caught one, maybe almost 2 with a braid line. So far, all the fish I've caught were with a braid line. So I don't know. I like to think they are somewhat line shy, but it'll be an interesting theory to test out, you know. And I'm not sure what other people think about it. One more. Would be nice to get like a 5-pounder as my last fish. One more fish, come on. Nope. Okay, 8 o'clock. Let's go over there. Maybe they're over there. What I'm doing is I'm just casting and letting it pendulum back. Ooh, 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 ooh. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. I missed it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Fish number 5. Number 5, guys. Oh, he's a small one, though. Small one, though. Yeah, a little baby. So there we go. Fish number 5. He's too small. So we'll let him go. Oops. Yeah. He's probably about 1.25 pounds. Too small. With that fish, I'm gonna see about getting underwater shots. They're not falling for it. There's just too much hardware, I guess. Oh well. Okay, we're gonna go back to the jig. Most people just like drop down and jig. I sometimes like to cast it out and let it pendulum back. And many times actually, that works really well too. So both method works. And about these line, like the cheap, the cheap Chinese brand, the braid line, they tend to fade really easy. And what I noticed, like the Power Pro, the spider wire, they don't fade as much. So that's something to keep your mind on when you're buying braid. One more. Boy, guys, I am not kidding. It is just so freaking nice. It is so calm. One more. Why is the last fish so hard to get? Why? The first and the last. The first and the last. Well, I could have kept that last one, but I just feel like he's kind of small. Maybe they want a different bait. Let me check. Ooh. Yep, there it is. Oh, tiny guy. Oh, actually, no, he's not bad. No, he's small. Dang. There we go, guys. Okay. Hold on. Easy now. Well, yeah, he's small. I'm confident I should be able to get a bigger one. It is 8 o'clock, actually 8:30. So there you go. All my fish has been caught on this pencil jig right here. It's I think it's like a 3. It's not a 3 ounce. I think it's a 4 ounce. So let's try a different one, huh? Why not, right? Why not? Doesn't hurt. Let's try this green one. Same thing, but green. All right, there it is. I think this one is about a 5 ounce. Let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna call it. The next fish I catch, I'm gonna keep. Next fish I catch, next rockfish. Next rockfish I'm gonna keep. Can't be too greedy. Okay. I feel like this is a little bit too heavy and it's just falling too fast. This is not natural. I like something to fall a little slower. All right, guys, back to my lucky lure. There it is. There it is. Finally. Last fish. I'm keeping you no matter what. Yes. Good size, I think. Feels, yeah, he's good enough. He's good enough. Oh, nice hook set. Yep. Came up too fast. Eyes are popping. Last fish of the day. All right, guys. I'm going to end this video. And I'm going to do some underwater shots now. So that's my last fish, fish number 5. Sweet. Let's whack him. Oh, whoa. Okay. Easy, buddy. Perfect. Let's cut the gills. We are done. Okay. That was the last fish, guys. Last fish. Thank goodness. So now, guys, this is a really good lure right here. I think it's about 3 or 4 ounce. I'll have to check when I get home, but the body is prism. It's really nice. It's got the eyes, it's painted pink. And initially it came with a hook and it has some nylon line on it. I didn't like that because it tangled a lot. So I took off that hook and I put on a treble hook, a VMC treble hook, and it works really good. So all my fish are caught on this jig, this pencil jig. Really awesome.
So yeah, that is about it for the day. It is 9 o'clock, 8:53. I'm gonna try to get some underwater shots and then I'm gonna get on out of here. So let's get some more underwater shots. You can't ask for a better day. You cannot ask for a better day. This is nice. When I come out here, I always like the tide to be like a 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. tide because the swell tend to be less, and when it is a low tide, I notice it is still pretty rough. Even though the swell, the ocean swell is predicted to be low, and you come out here on a low tide, I don't know why, but it tends to be rough, more rough than if, say, the tide was like at 10. So if low tide was at 10, it's gonna be rough. If high tide's at 10, let me back up. So if low tide is at 10 a.m., let's say, and the swell is low, it's still gonna be a little rough, especially on a minus tide. And I think that's because the water movement, the fluctuation is just so great. Like let's say 8 or 9 foot. So you got so much water movement, it's gonna be a little rough. But let's say it's high tide at 10 a.m. and the swell is low, and that's gonna be pretty calm like today. Today high tide is like 10:30, so it's very calm, guys. I'm not kidding. I mean, if you have a big boat, you can go full throttle, no problem. It's super, super calm. So that's why I like to have the tide. I'd like to have an AM tide when I come out here. It just makes it a lot calmer, and it's easier to fish, and I just feel more safe. So okay, there is my biggest bass right here. Right there. That's a nice one, huh? 4-pounder. Not bad. So the wind is picking up right now, so I got off the water just in time. And that's how I like it. I got my limited rockfish. Didn't get a limited ling. I think all I caught were small ones. And, well, I can't blame the depth finder. But anyways, we'll get the lings next time. So we're gonna clean up and put everything away and head back home. I want to thank you guys for watching. All right, guys, that's about it. The wind's picking up. Got back right on time. Got my limited rockfish. As for the lings, we'll get it next time. Not a big deal. And let me show you my biggest rockfish right here. Look at this puppy. Big one. Check that out. 4-pound. So pretty good day. I'm gonna go clean up this fish, put everything away, and head home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Have fun fishing. Tight lines.